Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to Stelly Grills and Chill. Hey, we finna cook a lot of great food today. So, hey, you know what time it is. Let's get it. Brisket, y'all. We doing brisket. Sous vide, y'all. So, first thing, let's rain on it. We just gonna hit it with some salt and some pepper. Season it up real good. And hey, as soon as we get done with that, we ready to hit it up in that CV bag, y'all. So let's get them in that bag. Now, hey, don't forget, you know you gotta give me that LSS on this one. That like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe, y'all. But anyway, let's get this vac down. Oh yeah, it's gonna be tasty, y'all. It's gonna be tasty. I've been working on this recipe for a minute. Finally got it right, child. Finally got it right. But once you get it back down, this is what you want it to look like. Here, let me give you a little bit better view of it. Yeah, see how it's all sealed around? That's what you want, y'all. That's what you want. So let's go ahead and set up our water bath. Now, our water bath is going to be 26 hours at 145 degrees. So let's get them on in that water bath, y'all. And guess what? I'll see y'all tomorrow. Now those 26 hours have passed. Now this is the juice from the bag. Now, hey, you can do a lot of good things with this juice. This makes some great gravy, y'all. Hey, it's almost like the best stock you can ever have. Just real talk, y'all. Real talk. Now, once we get that juice out and get them out that bag, let's pat them down. Make sure he's really dry so we can go ahead and put that crust on him now. Get him with this torch right here. Get him with this torch. Now, where you see the blue tip of the flame, that's always where your flame is hottest. So use that tip, y'all. Don't have all that blue all over the meat. You wasting up your heat like that, y'all. Oh yeah, he looking good now. Let's go ahead and get ready to slice him on up. Now, of course, you want to let your meat rest at least 30 minutes before you cut into it. But check it out, y'all. Oh my goodness, do y'all see that juicy brisket? Look at that juice just falling off that brisket. Oh my goodness. I know I'm finna eat good. Now, hold up. I gotta try a piece of this. Look at that, y'all. Look at that brisket. Oh my goodness. Tasty, tasty, y'all. Tasty, tasty. But anyway, y'all, you know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See you.